Okay. I am still working on my railroad knife. I am going to try to make the blade better. People often don't know that railroad spikes are exactly not the best type of metal to make knives out of. It will make a decent knife, but it won't keep an edge because it doesn't have a whole lot of carbon in it. So, this is what I'm going to try to do. This is from a previous project, a small piece of leaf spring that was cut off. What I'm going to try to do, which is new to me because I haven't actually done forge welding yet, or tried to and hadn't been successful, is to marry this piece here to the railroad spike and hopefully have a pretty good edge on it. Still got some work to go yet. I gotta take this and form it to fit. Probably chisel this a little bit deeper here. And try to weld it. So that's what's happening now. Not only that, I devised a new hold down for myself. That way while I'm chiseling, there's something to be holding it down. Pretty simple, naturally. As you see here, probably wondering what the heck that thing is there. Honestly, I'm not completely sure what it is. Supposedly, it's some type of martial arts weapon. So, another blacksmith was asked to make something similar, and he didn't feel comfortable doing so, and the guy just left him. So, Dad ended up meeting up with him and gave him to him. So now I got him. See there, I got another one hanging there. So I don't really have any use for one, but I had one. There's a hold down. Got here an airline cable hooked up there. And it goes up through the handy hole right there. And as you see, you put your stock right through there. Holds on to it as you beat on it. So that's what I got going on now. Now, I better get working again before my fire gets going out. Until next time.